Lewis heavy-duty snake grips for splicing. These grips are an essential tool for demanding cable splicing tasks. They work like a toy finger trap, gripping onto the end of cable that may be heavy or unwieldy. They're constructed from UV-resistant, vinyl-coated galvanized cable and designed with copper tabs for reliable grip. These splicing grips are used to secure cable while splicing. These mesh splicing grips are used by our customers for cable installation and replacement in the construction, telecom, oil and gas, and utility industries. They're available in double and triple weaves for medium to heavy-duty tasks and 24 to 48 inches in length. Cable diameter compatibility ranges from 1/4 to 1.5 inches, in working load limits up to 3,500 pounds, and ultimate tensile strength of up to 10,000 pounds. When it comes to mesh cable grips, Lewis splicing grips are the choice for reliability and enhanced longevity. Shop Lewis splicing grips at E-Rigging.com.